What's up, everybody? I am back today with another video, and this is a video on how I do my brows. For those who don't know, I'm Karen Michelle. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I do my brows the natural way. I don't really do my brows over dramatic. I just do like a natural look. So if that's what you're looking for, you came to the right place. So I first start off with my ColourPop eyebrow pencil. This is in the color black and brown, and I order it offline at colourpop.com. It comes up to $10 after shipping, which is a good price for the product because it lasts a very long time. And this is my favorite thing to use. Like, I won't use anything else on my brows. So I use a spoolie side and I brush my front hairs upward, my middle hairs to the side, and my tail of my brow downward. So once I have all my hairs in place, then I work on shading. So I first start off shading in the middle, and I don't touch the front. Like, I won't touch the front this whole time. I never touch the front of my brows. So the very front of my brows I don't touch because I feel like that's what helped create a more like natural look. So yeah, I start shading in from the middle, and then I work my way to the tail of the brow. And as you see, I'm not really creating I'm not really creating a design or outline. I'm just literally filling in my brows right now. And then I use a spoolie to wipe everything back in place. So next I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. And I use the Sephora brush. I don't know the name of the brush, but I'm going to put it in the description box. All of it be in the description box as well. But I go in with this brush and I start from the middle and work my way to the tail of my brow. Again, just filling in the brow. I just feel like this give it more of a, I don't know the word, but it give it more of a better look when I use this over my pencil. So yeah, I'm just doing it from the middle to the tail, and I don't touch the front because I want it to be natural in the end. Where I really shape my brows is when I use the concealer. I really don't shape my brows with the fill-in or the pomade or the pencil. So yeah, once I'm done with the pomade, I do the same thing. I brush my hairs back into place. Now I'm going in with my LA Pro concealer in the color FAWN, and I'm using my BDELLIUM Tools flathead brush, which I love this brush. This brush is perfect for outlining your brows with the concealer. I love this brush. But anyways, I use this brush to create the outline of my brow at the bottom. And I work my way from the middle to the front, and then I go back to the middle to the back, to the tail of my brow. And I'm trying to make sure y'all see me. That's why I keep looking at this camera. Okay, from this point, I'm using my brush to brush the concealer down, but I'm not touching my brow. I'm literally touching the line of the concealer that I put, and I'm just gonna blend it down. Now I'm going in with my RAYERAye brush, which y'all really need to check out RAYERAye brushes because they are very inexpensive and good quality. But I'm going in with my RAYERAye brush, and I'm just blending the concealer out on my eyelid. Now that that's done, I'm just going back in, touching up on my tail because I really want my tail to be sharp, and then blending it out again. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever HD foundation, my favorite foundation right now. And I'm using the same type of brush, my BDELLIUM Tool flathead brush. And I'm going to be using this on the top of my brow, just so when I do my full face, it all looks good. And as you see, I'm not starting from the front of my brow. I'm starting from the middle and working my way back. And at this time, I am using product on my brow, like on the top of my brow with the foundation. When I move to the front, it's going to be Access foundation. Like, I'm not using extra foundation for the front. You see, I'm just blending it forward. Look at that, y'all. Perfect. Now I'm going back in with my RAYERAYE brush and I'm blending it out. And I'm using the same RAYERAYE brush I used to blend out my concealer as well. So yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it. This is how I create my natural brow. So it's very easy. I mean, it's a process to learn it, but it's super easy. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. And please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let me know other looks that I can do, or that you want me to do. Yeah, just let me know. But bye, y'all. Hope y'all like the video.